Enhance your home's ambiance with DIY projects. February is an ideal time to add warmth and personality to your home through DIY projects. Embrace the spirit of love with personalized wall art showcasing your story, or create a cozy atmosphere with custom-made wall galleries. Handcrafted centerpieces, like heart-shaped candle holders or floral arrangements, elevate the romance in dining spaces. Add February charm with handmade, love-themed throw pillows for a mix-and-match eclectic style. A Love Notes wall painted with chalkboard encourages heartfelt family messages. Also, hand-painted plant pots with love-inspired designs bring life and personalized care to your home decor. Embrace the joy of creating and sharing love this February with these simple heartfelt DIY projects that transform your home into a cozy haven of warmth and personal touch.